Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to explore on how to send an invoice on eBay. Let's begin. Now, the first thing we need to do is to log in using your credentials. And if this is your first time here on eBay, you might want to click the create an account button here, wherein you can choose the type of account you can create. You can choose personal, business, and you need to provide your full legal name, email, and password. And by following the on-screen instructions, just click on create an account and you're all set. But to simplify the process, you might need to continue with their Google, continue with their Facebook, or continue with their Apple. Now, if your buyer hasn't gone directly through eBay checkout, you may need to send them an invoice, right? Because there's a number of situations where it's useful to send an invoice to your buyer because the buyer is purchasing several items from you and you want to combine them into a single purchase. Now, in that case, you need to change some of the transaction details such as shipping charges or payment method because some of that can only be done at the buyer's request. Now, for you to be able to do that, there are two ways to do it because the interface might be different from what I have. You can do it on the seller sub or you can simply do it on your My eBay. All you're gonna do is click on summary. Now, this is basically how you send or revise an invoice. You can simply send or revise an invoice from either My eBay again or the seller hub. Now, we're using My eBay in this situation, and basically from here, all you're gonna do is click on the left side panel of your dashboard, click on selling and click on sold, right? Now, if you have an items down here, you would be able to send an invoice from clicking on the actions, click on the specific item and then send invoice, right? Say for example, this is the item. Click on that and you would have an option here to send an invoice. And again, you can make necessary changes to shipping charges, payment methods, etc. And just click on send invoice. It's that easy. It's a very straightforward process. Now, the thing is, sometimes you could encounter a situation that you can't send an invoice for a reason. All you're gonna do is click on the help and contact if that happens, and in the search eBay help, you might wanna put on this keyword sending invoices to buyers, and that's it. You're gonna be having a step-by-step guidelines on how to send invoices to buyers. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.